So in lecture 2 we will see how we can download and install Anaconda. Anaconda is a popular platform for using Python in data science and machine learning. We can say that Python is a versatile programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications, whereas Anaconda provides a more specialized environment for machine learning and data science. Anaconda has pre-installed packages and package manager that makes it easier to manage these dependencies and resolve the conflicts between packages. So if you have heard about pip installs packages from Python package index, which has a vast array of Python libraries. On the other hand, we'll be seeing conda installs in these sessions. Conda install package is from Anaconda distribution. Basically, we can say that Anaconda is like a go-to choice for Python users in data science and machine learning. It simplifies managing these Python packages and resolving the dependencies. So let's just see, before we start downloading and installing Anaconda, we'll see what are the essential commands. So if you want to check which version of Python we have, you just give Python version. If you want to already if you have conda in your system, if you type conda info in your terminal, you can see the version of your conda. And suppose you want to update all the packages of your Anaconda, you just have to type conda update --all. And suppose we'll be using NumPy libraries in the next sessions. So if you want to install that, you just have to type conda install NumPy. And we'll also be using some tools like Jupyter and Spyder. So to launch the Jupyter notebook, you just have to type Jupyter notebook. This is a spelling. This will start the Jupyter notebook. And if you want to start the Spyder IDE, you just have to type start Spyder. So these are the commands. So one more important thing is, after updating installing Anaconda, sometimes you'll be having some issues, like with respect to the package issues, you'll be having some of the package may not be updated. So in such cases, these are some of the useful commands. So you can try to first activate your base environment using this command conda activate base. And sometimes you may be forced to reinstall, as some of the packages will be having some inconsistencies. So in such cases, the command is conda install conda --force reinstall. So this is a single line command if you want to reinstall the packages if they are having any inconsistencies. Or you can also try this update all packages. Sometimes this will also work. Conda space update --, this is --all. Or if you just want to update your navigator, Anaconda navigator, especially only one thing if you want to update, so specify that name here. You have to give the command as conda update Anaconda navigator. So these are some of the information which might be useful for you after you install and you're working on it. We'll be seeing in the sessions that sometimes I'll be using Spyder IDE or sometimes I'll be using Jupyter Notebook. So this is the Spyder IDE screen, which will be, so what is Spyder? Spyder is actually an integrated development environment. It is an open source tool. It's a cross-platform integrated development environment for Python, where you have all these options. This is the code editor. You will have a debugger screen here. You will have the variable explorer here. So we will see when you're working on this. And we can also use Jupyter Notebook for our purpose. Now Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive development environment. Okay, so it is actually one of the latest web-based IDEs for notebooks, for coding, for data. Right? It's a very flexible interface. It will help you to configure, arrange your workflows in data science, for scientific computing, for machine learning. So it has a modular design, and it also has extensions for expansions and enriching the functionality. So this is a screen of Jupyter Notebook. The main difference is this is a web-based interactive development environment. So now let's see how we can download and install the Anaconda in our system. How we can download Anaconda on Windows. So go to your browser and just type Anaconda download. So, and here you can see the first link is www.anaconda.com. So go to this link, and here you have the option of free download. So click on that. So when you click on that, it will ask you to provide your email address. So just provide your email address and submit, and then you can go and check your mail. So you would have received a mail for downloading. So just click on download now. So when you say download now, the anaconda.com website opens up. So again, so here you get the download option. Accept all the cookies and download. Click on the download button here. So the download has started. XE has downloaded into your system. It will take some 5 or 10 minutes depending upon the speed of your internet. After it's downloaded completely, you can see this in the downloads, anaconda.exe. So just double click on it. And then just click on run. Okay, so here it is saying please wait while the setup is loading. So just wait till it is yeah, now you get this pop-up. So you just have to click on next, click on this I agree button, and then there are two options here. Just me, that means do you want to install just for me, that is recommended. The second option is all users, which requires admin privileges. So suppose you have more than one user in your system, you can go for the second option. I am just going for the first one. So then here is a destination folder where do you want to install. Okay, so I have already installed in my system, so for me it's going to give errors if I try to install again. If you have not installed, then you can just go select the destination folder where you want to download it, and then just click on next, next, and finally finish. So it may take just hardly 5 minutes and you're done. Okay,